Hello, this is Jed George, and I hope you're having a great day, night, morning, wherever you are in the world watching this video. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. What I'm going to be talking to you about is how to broadcast a message to your subscriber, to your list of subscribers via email using the tools in the Conversion Pros. Okay, so here I am in my back office. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Autoresponder Builder, and I've got multiple lists going on, but I do have a main list. And one of the great things about the Conversion Pros is you can have multiple lists going at one time, different sales funnels, promoting different things or the same thing. In my case, I promote the same thing, just different ways. And one of the cool things about the Conversion Pros is you can have multiple lists going on, but you can have a main list going on as well. Where is my main list? Oh, here it is. Okay, so as you can see, I've got multiple lists, but I've got my main list here. So I've just started kind of building my business with the Conversion Pros, and my first target is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Now, all these little ones you've got here, you can see in front of you, I've actually have all of them in my main list. And that's a great thing about the Conversion Pros. In your contact manager, you can actually transfer all of your subscribers from all your other lists into one main list. And that's what I do in order to broadcast to all my subscribers, no matter which list they're on, in one go, rather than sending a broadcast to each one of those lists. Instead of doing that, I just transfer them all to one and do the one broadcast. And that way, I don't have to do it multiple times. Okay, so you click on the list, you click the edit button, you come to this list here. So this is your email series. As you can see, my main list, I don't have any series there because this is specifically for sending broadcast messages out to my list. So what that means is when I transfer my subscribers to this list, they're not going to start getting some automated messages. It's like a bucket. And so what I do is I use the email broadcasts. So as you can see, I've got a bunch of emails that I've been sending. I'll just do 100. As you can see, so started with 4 people, 553. As you can see, it's growing. So my list is growing as I'm marketing and getting people to subscribe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the create new message. But before I do that, what I want to do, because I've got a photo in my messages, right? So you can open up a previous message. And what I do is I hit Command A or Control A to select all. I copy that first, so Control C or Command C if you're using a Mac like me. And then I hit the cancel button. And then I go create new message. Okay. And first thing you want to do is who you're from. It pre-populates with your first name and last name, which is what you want. You can add some stuff in there if you like. Reply to email is important because if you're inviting the subscriber to reply to your email, if you leave that blank, you're not going to, and they reply to the email, you're not going to get it. So you're best to put in your email. Now what I do is I put my email, okay, and that reads it from my profile down here. Where is it? Personal. My profile in there is where I put my email address. So that will be populated there. Now, this message is going to basically be about this exact video that you're watching. All right, I'm going to be sending a message out to my list to say to them, hey, watch me send a broadcast message to my list using the Conversion Pros. So I might put how to send a broadcast message, or how to broadcast a message to your subscribers using TCP. All right. So if you're watching this and you're one of my subscribers, you got this email and you're watching the video that I'm actually showing you how to create, okay, how to broadcast. And what I like to do is I put things like this, and it makes it stands out in the subject line, and it causes people problems. So I'm going to put hey, hey. I'm going to put first name. So you can the TCP's got these great tool tags, so you can set up your own tags, but they've got pre-populated ones. So first name is going to be first name of the contact, my subscriber, and you can set up your own tags. So here I've got one tag, which is basically a link to my Facebook profile. They can connect with me. But if you go back to the broadcast, it should still be beautiful. Okay, and before I go any further, I'm going to paste the email that I copied from my previous email. And what I really want here is just a photo. Okay, just a photo of myself. So they've got a face to the name. And you can expand this out as well if you want to have full screen. But this is going to be very short and sweet to the point. Okay, so I'm going to put, hey, I just made a video showing you how to broadcast a message to your subscribers using the tools inside the Conversion Pros TCP. Okay, and I'll put check it out here. The tools you get with the conversion with TCP are awesome and so easy to use, as you will see in my video. Hope you enjoy watching. I might do something different. I might just do this, and I'll go copy that, put that there, and what I'll do is I'll link this up. Oh, I just noticed it's playing. How to broadcast a message to your subscribers. How to broadcast a message to your subscribers using TCP. Okay, so I'll hyperlink that. All right. So when they click on this, so I'll make this clickable. So they click on that, that will take them to the video. All right. Tools you get with these are awesome and so easy to use, as you've seen in my video. The system can be used for any business you like, especially online business. Okay, hope you enjoy watching. Talk soon. Feel free to reply and give me your feedback. All right. So I want to delete all this stuff here because I don't need it. All right. Talk soon. My photo. Done. All right. So now what I'm going to do is, because I'm recording the video that I'm giving them the link to. Alright, but how do you enter a link? You just simply highlight what you want to be clickable, click this button here, and add your link. So HTTP, let's just put Google for now. Alright, okay, done. So that's ready to go. Now, if I click the save button, it will basically go. What I'm going to do though, because I'm actually wanting to make sure the video gets uploaded to YouTube first, I connect it to a page, and then I put the link to that page here. I'm going to basically say, hey, send this next week, all right? Just to give myself plenty of time to get it done, right? So that's 30th. All right, so you click that, and there you go, 30th of the 3rd, 2018. Save. And that's it, done. And if you scroll to the bottom, there, it's in the queue right, waiting till the 30th before it sends it. And that's it. And that is how you send a broadcast message to your subscriber list using the tools in the Conversion Pros. As I said, it's a fantastic system. You should, if you're involved in any online business, you can promote any business you want. You build your list. You can actually promote the Conversion Pros itself as a business opportunity to people, or you can plug in the business that you have already. You can build capture pages, lead pages, landing pages, webinar pages. You can even broadcast text messages, which I'll show in another video. But what I'll do is, if you're watching this video on YouTube, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You can click that link and check out the tools for yourself. You can get a 7-day free trial through my link, and you have full access in that 7 days, no credit card required, and you can go inside and have a look at all the tools that you get with the Conversion Pros. I don't even use half of these tools, but I only use the ones that I need, and I'm saving myself lots of money by using the all-in-one marketing system. But when you do get your 7-day free trial, what I highly recommend is obviously go through it all, but the best thing for you to do is go to the Fast Start training. So if you click this button here, you'll go through some Fast Start training that David Dubbs, this gentleman right here, who is the owner of the business, he's put together this training that shows you all the tools, all the features inside the Conversion Pros, shows you how to put pages together. It's fantastic. So go through that training once you get your 7-day free trial, and then you can start building your list and making some money online. All right, thanks for watching this video. My name is Jed George. I'll leave a link in the description below, or if you're watching this video on one of the pages that I have built with the Conversion Pros, I'll leave a link, a button to take you to get your free trial with the Conversion Pros if you haven't already. All right, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Have a good day, night, morning, wherever you are in the world. Take care and God bless.